Hey everybody, just wanted to make a real quick video update you on my XTU X1 action camera. I can't get it to power up at all. I have swapped out several batteries from from XTU, and then I tried the ones from this Akaso, and then again the other ones that I have. And same thing, I can't get it to even turn on. The screen won't come on at all. I don't hear its boot up. Nothing. I opened it up to see if I could find anything that looked wrong with it, and no, nothing's wrong that I can see. That sucks. This was my best action camera that I owned, besides my GoPros. Again, image quality, I would have put right up against GoPro. Stabilization, not as good as GoPro, but image quality. So, I'm going to start using the Akaso Brave 7 LE. It is still working fine. No issues with it at all. Now, I haven't used it as much as my XTU X1, but, you know, I guess we'll see. That really sucks. Alright guys, like I said, I would never, give you guys false information. And as much as I love XTU as a company and the products that they sell, most of their products, I've got to be 100% honest with you guys. And, my XTU X1 action camera is dead. It's gone. So, is that something bad against XTU? You know, I don't know. In my mind, that camera should have lasted a lot longer than it did. You know, for it to just die right now just doesn't make any sense. Again, I keep everything in a camera bag. Everything. My GoPro goes in there right along with this camera, and then all the batteries into a pocket that goes right in there. See, so again, I keep everything, you know, away from anywhere they can get bumped, you know, bashed, water, which water shouldn't hurt it, but alright, I promise to keep this video short. So again, update on the XTU X1, not the other ones, my X1 will not power up. My guess is the power button, I think the power button might be broke. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, got a lot of other videos coming. So I will see you all on the next one.